The Xperia PRO is tailor-made for professionals in the field. Everybody wants things yesterday. Rapid delivery of images is paramount.
This 5G device is going to allow content creators to connect with their audience instantaneously.
The 5G speeds make live streaming from the field a reality.
With the latest Xperia smartphones, Sony has been focusing on creating the very best devices for content creation and content consumption. But with Xperia PRO, we're taking the next step in innovating how professionals can broadcast and distribute their content in real time.
The power and speed of the Xperia PRO opens up new worlds for our workflow. My name is Darren Carroll. I've been a professional photographer for 25 years now. I shoot mostly sports action and portraits for editorial and commercial clients. Clients need access to images quickly for a number of reasons. If it's an editorial client, they want to update their website with fresh imagery as soon as possible. If it's a commercial client, art directors and creative directors want to see in near real time what we're shooting if they can't be on set. When I'm out in the field, I can connect the Alpha 7S Mark III to the Xperia PRO via a tethered USB-C connection, and then the Xperia PRO instantaneously transmits those images via FTP over the 5G network back to the client. And I don't need an Ethernet connection, I don't need any wires, I can just send my images right to the client.
At Qualcomm, we're really excited to be a part of Sony's 5G journey. Xperia PRO, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 mobile platform, is capable of superior 5G coverage and multi-gigabit speeds thanks to millimeter wave.
Xperia PRO is equipped with a unique 360-degree beamforming antenna for best 5G reception wherever you go. When connected with an Alpha camera, content creators not only have more flexibility in what they can create, but from where they can share it. And with the 5G platform, professionals are able to work smarter and faster than ever before.
My name is Jason Vong, and together with my girlfriend Vivian, we run a YouTube channel on photography and videography education. And when Sony asked us to test out the combination of Xperia PRO and the Alpha cameras, we couldn't wait to take both out into the field and give it a try.
So we travel a lot, and many times when we're traveling, we want to share our experiences with our audience. However, we found that in the past with signals and quality, it didn't really do our location and our enthusiasm justice. With Xperia PRO and our cameras, we found that this combination allows us to share our enthusiasm right away via a higher quality live stream, which makes it easy for us to take with us, set up, and go.
What's going on? It's Jason Vong, live previewing some of the features of the new Xperia PRO. It's got a 6.5-inch 21:9 cinema wide 4K 10-bit HDR OLED display. For shooting, you got 3 Zeiss T-Star lenses, 16, 24, and 70mm. You can shoot up to 20 frames per second with continuous autofocus and auto exposure with real-time eye autofocus. And best of all, I am bringing all of this to you live with its brand new super fast 5G millimeter wave connection.
Xperia PRO is more than a 5G live streaming device. It has an HDMI port on the bottom, which allows us to get a clean video feed from our Alpha cameras, which turns it into a high-quality external monitor. It's also a great form factor, and it doesn't require an external battery or power supply, so it's incredibly easy to rig up and use.
Using the external monitor app is a tremendous addition to my workflow. You can pinch in and see that your subject's eyes are tack sharp. The other advantage is that you can turn the monitor so that your subject can see exactly what you're seeing in the viewfinder. And I can see the correct white balance, I can see the correct exposure. It's tremendously helpful.
From its 5G connectivity to its external monitoring via HDMI and its USB-C port for fast file transferring, bring all of these technologies together is going to empower a lot of content creators on any platform.
I would recommend Xperia PRO for content creators that are looking for something that fits into their arsenal, that's mobile, easy to go, but also the 5G speeds allow them to connect with their audience.
Sony is committed to supporting the workflow of professional creators, and Xperia PRO is an innovative tool that offers more creativity and speed for content sharing.
With this added to our workflow, it allows us to generate a lot more content because it's fast, it's higher quality, and it helps us engage with our audience.
I would recommend the Xperia Pro to any photographer who needs to have their images to their client as fast as possible. When you put Xperia Pro and Alpha cameras together, you get a package like never before. The capabilities of this device in terms of getting images delivered to clients quickly is pretty astounding.